Hey, good morning, guys. I'm going to be showing you some uh, turkey that I do, and 99 cents a pound, beautiful turkey breast. And again, this is in a pressure cooker, and I trimmed some of the skin off. I use some fat in there. It's just a beautiful, probably a 7 pound, 5 pound turkey breast, and I remove whatever's inside the thing. If there is anything, there wasn't anything in here. Sometimes there is. And I put maybe a little bit more than half of the water. That's going to be in my stock, okay? This is upside down. You know, this is the back of the breast. This is a breast only. You can buy a whole turkey and remove or cut it in half, however you want to do it. Only takes me 40 minutes to do this, guys. So it's an inexpensive, quick way to do a turkey versus doing it in the oven. I love the turkey meat. It's a lean meat and healthy, a lot of protein. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some granulated garlic. Don't be shy, because the flavor is good. Flavor is good. We're going to incorporate that right in. A little bit of salt, pepper. I have a nice blend. Fresh cracked pepper, yes. Okay. I add a little bit of celery salt. And I'm going to add a little bit of cayenne for some spice. That's it, guys. That's how hard this is. And I'm going to put the timer on for once it gets going. It's going to be about 40 minutes. And then I'm going to shut everything down. I'm going to let it sit for another 40 minutes with it off. And then I'm going to cool the system down so the top, you know, these devices will drop once it's cool, and then you can pull this off and you're safe to open. You know, try to open the thing before the pressure's released. You know, it's dangerous. But the beauty of this whole thing is right there. It'll cook that turkey in 40 minutes. Perfect. And then you're going to let it rest. Okay? You want to let it come up a little bit. I added hot water, so it helps it go a little faster. And again, granulated garlic. I got a salt, pepper. Beautiful salt, fresh cracked pepper. Got a little bit of celery salt. Again, I'm not adding vegetables to this. This is for a carnivore that I do. This is a cayenne. Okay, everything is on there. Okay, everything's tight. Yep. And that's going to start coming up, and then you're going to set your timer, okay? 40 minutes. All right, guys? Talk about easy turkey. That's what I'm going to call this video, easy turkey. And then what you can do is you can pull off your turkey breast meat, and you can do whatever you want with it and have fun. All right, guys? Thank you.